Lord almighty. Talking like a fool again. This is an entertainment channel. Silly ducks. That's a nice couch. Let's see what kind of donuts we can do. Are there any cups? Woo! Woo! Hell yeah! Let's go check out this couch. Maybe I'll haul this sucker home. Be a good basement couch, huh? Oh, what a beautiful couch. What a beautiful couch. What a beauty. It's actually in oh! It has a matching. It's a whole set. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Whoa! Oh, birds. Good old zipper cutting the neck. Love it. Big fan. I tried on a lot of jackets at the supply store for motorcycle jackets, and only like half of them cut my neck. And I was like, no, it needs to cut my neck. I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not gonna spend $250 on a jacket and have it be completely comfortable. I mean, that's just. Oh, you got that pothole perfect. You absolutely nailed it. Well done. I mean, you didn't even try to miss it. That was just impressive, really. I need to get in line now before anybody else does. This truck cucks me. Bastard. I'll go right under, okay? Oh my god, that's too funny. No, I'm trying to get air. Yeah, you can drive it there. Thank you. Nice people today. Lots of nice people. Come here, boy. Give me some more.
Find one of these at? You have to order it?
Yeah, I ordered it like in November of last year.
Yeah, I believe it. These are like, yeah, I've been looking at them a little.
Yeah, they're hard to find. They're going so quick at the dealership. Yeah, they're just fun, super cheap. Love it, love it.
Have you ridden a Grom before?
No, I haven't.
My buddy's got a Grom, so I ride that quite a bit.
Oh yeah.
Figure out how comparable it was.
Yeah, I think the Grom's gonna be just like a little bit faster because it's got, you know, an extra 15 cc. No, it's dirt cheap. I mean, there's no other bike you can buy for $2,000.
That thing's sweet, dude.
Yeah, thanks. They love it. That was the truck driver that nodded at me. I motioned like I wanted to go underneath him, and he just gave me a nod like, yeah, go ahead. One day I'll get that small talk thing down. But not today. I couldn't tell if he just thought it was a cool looking bike or if he knew it was a Navi and how desirable they are. But he made it clear, he knew. Boom, just like that. Fast to get gas, fast to get air, slow to go anywhere. Man, that poor guy. Anyone who wants one of these, and I tell him, yeah, I ordered it 5 months ago and I got it a few weeks ago. That just sucks to hear that, you know. You just can't go buy one. You gotta order one, wait. I mean, the dealership had a green one for a few weeks just sitting in the showroom. I was tempted to just get a green one because I wanted to get one quicker, but I waited for the brown, the old nut brown. I'm just flying, man. Man, the amount of confidence I've gained. That was a fucking cop right there. Be cool, dude. Holy shit. I did not see him until it was too late. Did I get my first ticket today? Come after me, boy. Shouldn't egg him on. Luckily, I was in a turn because I was ready to ride it wide open. Luckily, I was turning, so I was probably going the speed limit. Again, anytime I go in the speed limit, it's completely by accident. I can't wheelie. wheelie. I can't. Trust me, I want to. You know how lame it is to like, oh, you want me to wheelie? Let me slow to a complete stop and then give a grown man gives his full strength. Trust me, I want to be cooler. I can't. Little one. Look at these kids. Dude, get out of the road, kids. Get out of the road. What are you doing? Get out of the road. Dude, they definitely set these cones up for me. Can I get in trouble? Oh God, I knocked one over. I knocked one. I'll put her back. Please don't yell at me. It kind of smells like maybe burnt rubber from burning out. Is something on fire? Ain't no thing but a little thing. Oh my God, that thing comes up so easy when you do it with your feet down. Ooh, much easier to wheelie when you have your legs back. Let's go show these kids what real coolness looks like. All right, I just want to see someone fall. and not like get really hurt, but like they should go to the ER, but they don't. That's the level of damage I want to see. What up, kids? What up, guys? Spike isn't like power enough to fishtail. Cattail? Fishtail? Fishtail. Cattail? Fishtail. Cattail. No, it's gotta be fishtail. Glad we solved that dilemma that no one had a question about except for me. Once I can. Oh, you almost did it, my dude. Almost. What's the password?
You didn't say the magic word.
Please! God damn it!
I think my ear canals are different sizes. I'm very self-conscious about it. I don't want to talk about it. Yeah, it's perfectly normal, the doctor said, to have different size ear canals, okay? Get off my back. God. I get to cut dumb jokes, and you never get to hear them. God. My worst nightmare is a speed bump in a neighborhood that you can't see, and I just die. Stoppies. I should try a Stoppie. Let's try my first Stoppie ever. I didn't even squeeze the brakes that hard. Come on, you wimp. Never mind. This is not what I thought it was. You idiot. What movie is it that has that scene with not Stuart Little, but the vet that can talk to animals? What movie is that? Eddie Murphy. Not Pet Detective. He's a vet. He talk to animals. Dr. Dolittle. The scene with the thermometer and the dog. I just realized the dog is. I just want. Oh my god! I'm losing my mind. All right, Dr. Dolittle. This scene. They stick a thermometer up Norm Macdonald's butt. I mean, he's playing a dog, and he goes, "I don't like this, doc." He goes, "Butt swallowed it. Butt swallowed it."
Hey, where's he think he's gonna put that? I'm gonna swallow the thermometer. Well, there it goes. But just swallowed it.
I just had that thought with my ear plug because I shoved it like pretty deep in there. I'm a child. I'm a child in woman's clothing. All right. I gotta make everything super weird, don't I? Oh yeah, now I'm well plugged via the ear hole. Yeah. Oh, it's just me and my little head right now. Me and my empty brain with my 4 neurons firing. Oh yeah. This place is now just riddled with my donuts. Oh, there's a cop right there. Oh, nice try. Oh, nice try. I almost came and did some donuts right there. Oh, ooh, guys. Uh-oh. Nothing, dude. That was sketchy. They were picking up speed, but whew, they knew. Oh my god. Almost just started doing donuts. Alright, well, close call. If I get pulled over and those sports bikes don't, that would be the worst thing. God, imagine I do a donut and I save those sports bikes from being pulled over. Oh, I'm a hero. Alright, it's getting dark. Gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye. Like and subscribe.